Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh Travels, I'm getting ready for a trip to the UAE. We go to Abu Dhabi, Dubai, hopefully Oman, see a few things. So I'll do individual videos for those, but I want to start talking about packing. And this is just the way that I pack. There's a million ways to do it. But on this trip, I'm planning on going out of just two pieces of luggage. So one is a backpack, and my co-workers got me this beautiful Yeti backpack, and so I'm thankful for that. And then for my other piece of luggage, well, I had to get the matching Yeti 22, so it's a 22-inch Yeti that I got here. So these are the two pieces of luggage that I'm going to take with me. So let's talk a little bit about packing. So give me just a minute. One of the things that's really important to me in packing is 1 gallon Ziploc bags. So I like to get the ones at Walmart. I actually like them better than the Ziploc brand. So these are the double zipper bags. These are gallon freezer bags. The reason I use these, I know some people like to pack in cubes. I like to pack in Ziploc bags. So I put my clothes in there, and I choose very special clothes to take. So for my pants, I like the Columbia pants. Okay, now I get the zip offs. Now for most of the things that I choose, if I'm going someplace where there's not laundry facilities that are easily accessible, like Iceland, okay, or someplace where it's humid, even if it's humid and cool like Iceland or Scotland or any place, I want clothes, if possible, that I can wash in a sink with lukewarm water and have them get clean and dry and wearable. So I'll take usually 3 pairs of pants. Okay, and I like the Columbia ones because they wash easily. They don't hold odors very well. So odors come out of them really easily. They're the material, and they're lightweight. And you can roll them up and get a few pairs in a Ziploc bag. So this right here is a Ziploc bag with a pair of pants, a couple shirts, also a pair of pants and a couple of shirts, and I'm just bringing some lightweight Columbia button-down shirts, short sleeve ones, because those also travel very well. One of the things that doesn't travel as well as thick pants. So, but I do have to take 1 pair of nice pants because I'm going to a thing. We'll talk about it when I get there. Now, another thing that's really important, see if I can find a pair, give me just a minute, okay, is underwear. Okay, so I have travel underwear. Now, a lot of people don't talk about underwear, but I'm going to. So the stuff that I use for traveling is made by Ex Officio. Okay, now they're kind of expensive in American dollars. They're like $25 a pair, but I'll tell you, they're worth it. They're lightweight, they're comfortable, and they also don't hold odors. So they wash out really, really easily. You can wash these in lukewarm water if you have to with dishwasher detergent. Let them air dry. They will dry in humid weather. It could be raining outside and these things will still dry. Take a little bit longer, but Ex Officio underwear, they make them for men and for women. You can buy them online, and I'm not sponsored by them, but I should be, because I really believe in their product. It's worth doing, so make sure to get those. Okay. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do, since I'm flying on an international flight, I'm not sure that they'll let me carry on both of these pieces. So if I have to, this will be the one that I take with me on the plane. This will be the one that goes in the bottom of the plane or wherever they put the luggage. So one thing I want to do is in this one that I'm carrying with me no matter what, this is where I'll put my medicines, This is where I'll put at least one change of clothes, because sometimes bags get delayed. And so I don't want to have the only clothes I have be the clothes that I'm wearing. So I will bring one change of clothes. I'll bring my toiletries, my toothbrush, all that kind of stuff in this bag, so those are with me. And in this one will be all the stuff that I want, but that if it took it a couple of days to get to me, I'm not going to have to go buy clothes while I'm there. Okay. So one thing I'm also going to want is some kind of an outdoor shoe for hiking. So these are, what are these? These are also Columbia, so I like Columbia. I like Columbia, North Face. So take a light pair of hikers. Gonna go in this bag. So I want to start filling it up. So put in bags of clothes. Big bag of socks. Nylon cloth bags, and I put my dirty clothes in there and stuff like that. And that way I can keep my stuff separated and they don't get all funky. Use little baggies too. I think that's all I'm getting in there for now. That's just about everything packed. In this bag I have my extra clothes, I have my medications and my toothpaste and stuff. I have an extra pair of shoes. I have any extra papers that I want to carry with me. Lithium-ion battery packs. Those, they don't like those inside of the plane's hull, so you like those in the cabin with you. And that's getting pretty close to it. So I'll have 2 small bags, wear some comfortable shoes, be ready to go. Well, make sure you take the right kind of chargers for wherever you're going, something that can convert everything to a USB. And I always carry a little flashlight too. Don't know why I haven't needed it yet, but I have it if it gets dark. Okay, that's it for how Hugh packs. And then next will be how Hugh travels to the airport. Out.